This basic tool in garden irrigation is perfect, may it be in wide or smaller areas. It boasts its sturdy foot feature, which will stand 15% incline, perfect to cover a whole area. With this help of the sturdy foot, you can adjust the positioning of the sprinkler to water the place you need to tend fully. The flexibility of this oscillating sprinkler makes the work and change of location easy. Moreover, the length can be adjusted from 10 to 60 feet and 10 to 40 feet in width, long enough to cover the 76 to 2,300 square feet area. To evenly distribute water, it's engineered with 16 rubber nozzles that are flexible. This 2.55 pounds item has a mesh filter which can be removed for cleaning. Its purpose is to protect the item itself against dirt and sand. For an additional feature, Gardena's ZoomMaxx Oscillating Sprinkler has an option where you can adjust the setting, the size of the place to be irrigated, which fits your preference because of its water flow regulation. Through the use of a threaded tap connector, you can have it easily extended. Now that you've seen the first 3 products, are you already starting to have your best choice? Hold on, because we still have 2 more products to review. But before that, we'd like to ask if you have certain products or categories that you'd like us to review. We value your opinion and requests, so feel free to leave your comments below. Now, back to our list.